Hi everyone, today we're going to look at the EC Technology 12,000 milliampere hour external battery pack. Now I've reviewed a lot of these external battery packs over the last 3-4 months, and this one's probably going to go down as my overall favorite, and I'll show you why. First of all, it's about the size of an external hard drive in terms of size, so it's not too big and not too heavy, but 12,000 milliampere hours means that it's going to be able to charge a iPad 4 completely. You'll charge an iPad 2 about 1.5 times, and you'll get 5 to 6 charges on your iPhone. You see it has two outputs. It has a 5 volt 1 amp and a 5 volt 2.1 amps. And we'll look a little bit more in depth in that in a second. It also has a little LED light right there that is easy to operate. That LED light, because this is a 12,000 milliampere hour battery pack, will actually operate for weeks. So if you need it, you've got a lot of power here. Now, how does this whole thing work? And why do I think it's one of the better ones I've seen, if not the best? First of all, it comes with a variety of tips for charging and whatnot. So you have 2 different cables that it comes with. And how it works is you've got the different connecting pins. And this is pretty common. So here's a 30 pin for an iPad, but it also comes with a micro and a micro USB, a mini USB, and a charging tip essentially for a PSP. So let's look at the micro USB. You plug this in like that, and then you can plug it in here to the side, which is labeled input, which is nice, so it shows you which is which. You plug it in there, and now you can plug this in, and this is how you charge your battery pack. But if you want to use it to charge a device, you take off this connector pin, put on 30, and then we're going to plug it directly into my iPad, like that. And then we're going to plug this one into the 2 amp output, which is ideal for tablets. So we're going to plug that there, and you can see my iPad's charging. Now what I really like about this device is the actual display. So you can see that there's 97% of the charge remaining, but better yet, it shows, and this is going to be real difficult to see, that I'm using, and actually it's going to probably be impossible, that the 5 volt 2.1 amp is what's plugged in. So it actually gives you a display of which of the outputs you're using. So now let's go ahead and, in addition to charging my iPad, let's charge my iPhone. So again, I'm going to plug it into the other output right here, and then I'm going to plug this right here into my iPhone. You can see it's charging as well. So I've got 2 devices charging, and the screen shows that 2 devices are in fact charging. So why is this my favorite? Well, I've never seen a display like this on an external battery pack, especially at this price point. 12,000 milliampere hours means I can charge my iPhone and my iPad fully without draining the battery pack. I like the look. It's a really attractive look to it. It comes with the 4 charging adapter pins, so you have the micro and the mini USB, you have the PSP adapter, and the 30 pin. And so it all really kind of blends into a nice package for everything that I like to do with it. If there is a negative, it doesn't come with a case, like a little padded velvet case or whatnot, like some battery packs do. But you could probably find some pretty easy, so it doesn't have any kind of thing to hold it. It is made out of aviation aluminum, whatever that means. Basically, it means it's an aluminum frame, and it's been anodized to give it this kind of cool look in a variety of colors. So my final verdict on the EC Technology 12,000 milliampere hour 3.1 amp power bank is 5 stars. I'm going to hold by my recommendation, saying this is probably the coolest one that I've seen so far, and I would definitely recommend it if you're in the market for a high discharge battery pack for tablets and such.